Ahoy, shipmates! Something rather special today, shipmates. In fact, it is the Royal Husman Special One, the largest sport fishing super yacht in the world. Costs approximately $70 million. And it was down here in Portsmouth. In fact, it was in the port of Southampton, but I wasn't in the port of Southampton. And then when I returned to the port of Southampton, it had gone down to Portsmouth. So while I was down in Portsmouth with the Oceana Marina, I thought I'd grab some shots of the Special One. Certainly has the very distinctive design of a sports fishing vessel. That's a very high flying bridge. I'm not quite sure how many levels there are there. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4 levels of flying bridge. I hope there's a lift in there. It's long way up. Anyway, grabbed a couple of photos while I was here. Thought it looked quite good with the spinnaker tower in the background. Quite difficult to fit it all in. Got to be honest there. Not too bad though. With a bit of a sunrise going on in the distance there. It was lighting up the sky quite nicely. Came round to the front here. The bow is crazily long. Very pointy. It really has a very interesting set of proportions. Not something you see on your average super yacht. Yeah, not a bad photograph, that one. Give that one a B, I think. Went a bit higher for the next shot, and as you can see, it's got a massive entertainment area on the bow there. I know when it came into Southampton, it was being fitted out with all sorts of electronics, entertainment systems, navigation systems, and such like. Give that one a C, I think. It's 52 metres long, 171 feet, and a top speed of over 30 knots. Construction is aluminium. Well, certainly very different. And the literature says that wherever she goes, she turns heads. And I can't say I'm surprised. Normally sports fishing vessels are nowhere near this size, and certainly not that many flying bridges. Well, I've enjoyed that one, shipmates. A little bit unusual, but I do like the odd super yacht. And this one is definitely an odd super yacht. Till next time, shipmates.